Unleash your creativity and craft a 3D desk action figure that's destined for internet stardom. First, let Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana AI help you brainstorm a killer character concept. Think unique poses, eye-catching accessories, and a personality that pops. Describe your vision to Gemini White Euro color palettes, defining features, even a quirky backstory White Euro, and watch it generate incredible design ideas and initial sketches. Next, we'll translate these brilliant designs into a tangible 3D model using your preferred 3D modeling software. We'll build the figure layer by layer, focus on clean topology for smooth animation later, and add intricate details that will make your creation stand out, like textured clothing or expressive facial features. Now for the magic animation. Bring your action figure to life with dynamic movements. Think about what would make it engaging for a desk display. White Euro, a cool dance, a powerful pose, or even a funny little interaction. Gemini can even suggest animation ideas based on your character's personality. Content is king, and engagement is queen. Film your animated action figure in short, snappy videos. Think about creating a narrative, even a simple one, to hook your viewers. Use trending audio or create your own custom sound effects to add personality, to catapult your creation into viral territory. Smart sharing is crucial. Post your mesmerizing animations across all relevant social media platforms. Utilize relevant hashtags like hashtag 3.ctionfigure and hashtag GeminiAI to increase discoverability. Engage with comments and build a community around your character. Master these steps, inject your unique creativity, and you'll be well on your way to making a viral 3D desk action figure that everyone will be talking about.